Hello, this is Michelle McMillionaires. I am the author of Beauty Secrets for Your Soul, and you can find it on Amazon and learn more over at that was interesting. Oh, Michelle McMillionaires.com. Anyhow, today is Oceanfront Beach Day. Got the sun hat, having a world-class dining experience prior to going down and visiting the ocean. All right. Now, bringing forth, whoa, okay, more awareness around holistic lifestyle, world-class living. All right. Cheers. This is fresh squeezed juice here, green juice, fresh lemon water, because how you began the day with honoring the sacred body physical temple sets the pace for the day. You'll find very fine examples of that. There's baby dragonflies visiting. Hello. For the day. And then here's a gorgeous raw spinach salad, fresh apple, onions, avocado, sesame seeds. Super excited for the day. And as usual, everyone, make it the best day ever. All right. Love you.